Hello, welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. My name is Jennifer Woolsey, and I am your beauty guide today. So I hope that you're ready to, wake up and make up. Okay, so I've already gone in with my skincare regimen, but I have to tell you guys about something that I'm using at night that I'm in love with. Zika Peptide Serum. Oh my gosh. This stuff is like facelift in a bottle. I have not ever. See how it's really thin? It's a serum. So at nighttime after you cleanse, then you put this on and then you put your nighttime moisturizer over it. Oh my gosh. I woke up this morning and it felt like my skin had just sucked up into a little facelift. And I'm like, yes, sign me up. This stuff is amazing. And the cool thing is the Zika also helps repair damaged skin. So it's got all the good properties in it. I'll tell you a little story about Zika in just a second. Of course, I've already done my morning skincare. You guys know I'm using my Dual Elixir, my Skin Invincible, and I've already primed this morning with my Face Shop Primer. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this Magix wand in Marshmallow. So, okay, a little backstory about Zika. Zika is actually a grass, and researchers noticed that after tigers went into battle, they would go and roll around in Zika grass to help heal their battle wounds. So researchers took that technology from the Zika grass, pressed it up and did all the things to it, and bam, put it in your Zika serum. And it just heals. It naturally just heals that damage on your face, those red spots, those what's that word? Like dry spots, maybe even damage left from acne. It is thebomb.com. I'm in love with it. So I'm going to have to start using it on a regular basis and then give you guys like a before and after report because it's good stuff. And if you're not taking care of your skin at night, then you're doing one of the biggest disservices for your skin. You can never put a stitch of makeup on, and if you will just take care of your skin care morning and night, which means cleanse, treat, moisturize, then you would have beautiful skin. You wouldn't even have to have makeup. I wear makeup just because I like it, because it's like a form of art. But do you wear skincare? In the comment section, let me know. Do you wear skincare? Okay. We're going to, can't talk. We're going to go ahead and do these brows. So I am just coloring them in. You guys know I'm not drawing on any extra caterpillars here. Just drawing them in. I'm going to do one and not the other and show you guys the difference. And this is just a dark brown eyeshadow pencil. You can tell that I'm not adding like a ton to it, right? I'm just doing a little bit of fill in. But I've been trying to be more concentrated on my skincare, making sure that every night before I go to bed, I'm cleansing and I'm moisturizing. And it's just amazing the difference in the moisture and just the elasticity in your skin, the way it bounces right back, and you tend to feel more energized in your skin, if that makes sense. A lot of times if you don't take care of it, you'll wake up in the morning and you just feel like, bleh, like your skin just feels dull and bleh. Yeah, that's because you're not moisturizing. Okay, Ink Lasting Face Shop Primer Foundation in the color Porcelain. Boop. I'm going to do one little bop, pick up some makeup, and we're just going to go to town. And then you just begin to pat. Really simple. I had a customer tell me the other day, that's the easiest foundation I've ever put on in my life. And I was like, well, that's cool. I love hearing reports like that. She said, I just did exactly what you told me. I just patted it in and bam. There's a little morning alarm for you. So it's Friday. Woohoo! Friday. Do you have big plans for your weekend? We are supposed to be getting some nasty weather in my area, so I have got food for soup and for cold weather hot cocoa, all that stuff. In case the weather really does drop, we are going to be bunkered down here at the Woolsey residence. So, you know, they call for a little bit of snow. Last time, they called for like a dusting of snow in our area. We got a blizzard. That was several years ago. So, I'm not saying that's going to happen again, but it could. I'm not hating. I don't mind a good snowstorm. How about you guys? Do you like a good snowstorm, or are you more of like a sunshine kind of person? Okay, we got that foundation on. It looks good. Now I'm going to go in and add some translucent loose powder, and then we'll get started on these eyes. So in the comment section, let me know, which do you prefer? Should we do the Mono Pop, which has the neutrals today, or the new palette with Send Roses? Which one? Mono Pop? Oh, say pop or roses? Pop or roses? Pop or roses? We're going to dance here. Let's do a little breakdown. Since I can't have music, because every time I have music in the background, we get censored, and Facebook like shuts my video down for 24 hours or something. I don't know how all those people that do makeup tutorials have their music playing in the background and they don't get shut down. I'm going to have to do some more research for you guys, or I'm going to have to start singing. One or the other. I don't think you want me to sing. That would not be a pretty picture. That I'm not gifted at. Okay, so nobody's going to tell me what they want. Say pop or roses. What do y'all think? Pop or roses? Let's do, let me look. The colors I'm wearing today. I think we're going to do roses. I think we're going to do roses. Okay, I'm going to do just a regular old blending brush. And we're going to pick up this lighter color and mix it with this pink color. And we're going to go up, up, and away. I've worn neutrals for so long, I've noticed that my eyelids tend to already kind of have a neutral base. So any colors that I put over it, it tends to go ahead and pull that neutral, which is kind of odd. I had never noticed that it could do that before. All right, now we're just going to use the same brush. We are going to pull in this kind of violet right here. We're just going to pat that out in the corner here. It's not as dark as that plum color. We're just going to pat it out in the corner. Here we go. Love it. This side needs a little bit more. That's the hard part about matching your shadows, is you're kind of doing a, what's the word? You're kind of doing like a paint by number to kind of make sure that they match on both eyes, right? Don't necessarily have to be twins, but you want them to at least kind of match a little bit. All right, so then we're going to go in with this sparkle right here. It's got a little pinkish violet to it. We're just going to bring that in. Oh, girlfriends. This is looking pretty. Oh, yeah. And it's got a good pop. Good pop here. And I'm bringing that all the way over. I'm blending. Starting at the inside of my eye and just bringing it all the way over. I'm going to close and let you guys kind of look. Okay, I'm going to go now with this darker glittery look here. Dang allergies. Okay. What do we think? What do we think? Wow, those are pretty. You could even bring this up just a tad over that crease. I tend to have a little bit of a hooded eye. So bringing that up is not a bad thing. Up just a little bit. And if you wanted to finish off with a little bit of gold sparkle, this is totally a place where you could do it. You could pick up a little of this darker brown. And bam. Bam, sister. Bam. I really love this palette. There are so many fun, different kind of combinations that you can do with it. And really, I mean, every time you could come out with a different eye look. The Send Roses. And it's 15 bucks. I mean, you're not going to find as good of a pigmented, high resolution eyeshadow palette for 15 bucks anywhere else. So pick it up. All right. So we got that done. Now we're going to go in with our Liquid Extend eyeliner pen. Y'all ready? Here we go. It just lays right down. That's what I love about it. Coop, what's wrong, buddy? Love it. That stuff goes on so well. My puppy dog is not happy because he locked himself in my bathroom with me because I have one of those sliding door things and he doesn't realize that once he comes in, he can't go back out. Goofy dog. And so that's why he's crying. He wants to go check on his boys. Okay. His lashes are curled. Of course, we're going to finish off this eye look with a Love mascara because it's the best. I'm going to go down and then I'm going back up. I learned a tip the other day that if you will do the top part of your lashes first, it will help with the lengthening. So we're going to give it a try. And make sure that I don't get it up on my eyelids. So, can you tell a difference? What do you think? You think those colors would look good? Yes, Deborah. You could totally rock it. I am about as pale can be. And I've got it. And you've actually got a little bit more color pigmentation to your skin, which is a beautiful complexion. I totally think you could rock it. And your hubby would be like, woo, girl, what have you done? Okay, we're going to do the other side. Do y'all see what I did? How many of you do this? Girls, I'm real. I am not a makeup artist. I am just a mom on a mission. Teaching other moms and grandmas how to do their makeup. And sometimes we get mascara on our noses, and that's okay because you know why? Bam! You got a makeup puff. Just blend that stuff right off and you're good to go. Check that out. Bam! I feel like the chef. Bam! Okay, we're going to go in now with our Kush foundation, or Kush blush. You guys, this is the coral color. I didn't think it would work for me. It's all the rage. Bam! How about that? Ooh, I'm just going to put a little kiss on my cheeks. Bam! There we go. Just a little bit. And then, of course, every woman needs a little more added sparkle with your eyes. So we're going to do the highlighter. Just bam. Highlight underneath or at the top of your cheekbone because that's where the light hits your face the most often. And it's going to give you a little extra glow. And then a little on the Cupid's bow, which makes your lips look more full. See? I'm Emerald. Emerald, that's his name. He's like, bam! Okay, today we're going to mix two colors for our lipstick. I've been wearing a lot of these two colors which is Ambitious and Devoted. So we're going to mix these today and let you guys see what you think, because these colors go so well with the Send Roses palette. So I did Devoted for our Ambitious first, which kind of gave me a base of a nude look. And these dry matte. So that's a really good morning, sister. You need this palette. Check it out. Bam. Bam. It's Send Roses. Look at all these glam colors. You could totally rock it. My sister could do her eye makeup like nobody you've ever seen. Okay, now we're going to go in with Devoted. Blended. So with that Send Roses palette, that color, it can open up. I'm going to do the hair so y'all can kind of get the full effect here. It can do so much to make this kind of all work together. Okay, this is our hair look for the day. I mean, I've still got to straighten it and all that good stuff, but this gives you more of an idea of what I'm going for versus the hair pulled back. What do you think? Is this a look that you would rock? Do you approve? I need some yeses, girl. You did it. It's Friday. Okay, I'm going to close for the eyes. Girlfriends, you can do this. This is for you right here. If you want to get these products, you can shop for them at youravon.com/jwoolsey. That's a JWOLSEY. I'll put that link here in the comments. Please share this video. Somebody else needs these makeup tips. Some other mom in your life needs that little bit of boost of confidence that, hey, I can get up, I can make up, I can do this. So share our video so that other people can see it. If you're watching on YouTube, be sure and like and subscribe to our channel and leave us some comments and some thumbs up if you like what we did today. You guys are the best. Thank you for getting ready with me this morning. I hope you have a fantastic day and an amazing weekend, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye. Bye-bye.